The next law of exponent is zero exponent. For example, yung m raised to 0 is equal to 1. Ito yung zero exponent natin na tinatawag. So, where m is not equal to 0. So, any number excluding 0 with an exponent of 0 is equal to 1. So, ito yung ibig sabihin natin ng zero exponent. Or, any number of variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. For example, number 1, a raised to 3 over a raised to 3 is the same as quotient rule. Diba? So, simplify natin yan. So, yung a, so yung 3 minus 3, so it's equal to, so yung a, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, sabi nga sa zero exponent, any number of variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Next, number 2. So, same. So, we have 3, copy the base 3. So, yung m minus m. So, meron tayong itong 1 kasi 1 yan. So, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Or is equal to 1. 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Number 4. 4 raised to 0, automatic, that is 1. 10 raised to 0, 1. 6x raised to 0. What is the answer? 1 or 6? Okay, so let's check. So for example, number 5, ang may exponent ng 0 is yung variable x lang. So ibig sabihin ito lang yung magiging 1. So x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So 6 times 1 is equal to 6. Okay? So may pagkakaiba tayo dyan. Number 6. 4 raised to 0, so automatic yan ay 1. M raised to 0, yan ay 1. So it means the answer is 1. Number 7. A raised to 0 plus B raised to 0 plus C raised to 0. So A raised to 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus yung C raised to 0 is 1. So the answer is 3. Okay? Okay, last example, number 8 for the zero exponent. So the quantity of 4x squared y raised to 3, so raised to 0, the answer is 1. Or to get the answer, so ito katulad nakaraan sa product rule, so multiply na natin to 4 raised to 0, so 2 times 0, so x raised to 0, 3 times 0, so y raised to 0, or lahat yun ay 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So ganun lang kadali ang pagsusolve ng zero exponent. The next law of exponent is negative exponent. So kadali nito, pag meron kayo makita ng exponent nila sa mga negative numbers, so gawin mo siya mga positive. So paano yun? So kunin mo lang kanyang reciprocal. So let's say m raised to negative x. So para maging positive yan, so kukunin mo lang ang reciprocal nito. So meron siyang denominator ng 1. So yung 1, yung denominator nito pupunta sa taas. So kunin din dito. Okay? Or yung m raised to itong x represent a exponent. So ito lang yan. So magka-break na yung dalawa. Example para mas lalo natin maintindihan. So for number 1, 7 raised to negative 4. So para maging positive yan, kukunin mo ang kanyang positive numbers. So we have 1 and then 7 raised to 4. Diba? So magiging positive na siya. So since meron tayo dito constant with exponent, so isi-simplify natin yan. So magiging 1, then so mumultiply na siya ng 4 na beses. So 7 times 7. So our final answer is 1 over, so what is the answer? So using calculator, meron tayong 2,401. Okay? So, ito yung sagot natin for number 1. Example number 2. X raised to negative 5. Para maging positive yan, so kunin mo kanyang reciprocal, iba over 1 yan. So, ito lilipat mo sa taas, so 1 over x raised to 5. So, wala ka nang simplify. So, ito na mismo ang kanyang sagot. Okay? Number 3. So, since ang negative natin ay nasa denominator, so, gagawin mo dyan, ganun din. Reciprocal pa rin tayo. So, itong nasa denominator, mapupunta yan sa taas. So, magiging y raised to positive 3 na yan, over 1. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay. Number 4, 2 divided by x raised to negative 4. So, itong 2, wala tayong di-divide na ito. So, copy natin yung 2. Since ang denominator natin, meron siyang negative exponent, so, ilalagay mo siya sa numerator para maging positive. So, yung s, positive na yan, magiging 4. Okay. Yan na yung final answer natin. Number 5. Ito. Gawin mo siyang positive. Integral. So, magiging 1 over 2 raised to 2 times ito, 2 raised to 2. So, simplify natin yan. Itong 2 times 2 raised to 2, magiging 1/4 times ito 2 times 2, meron tayo 4. So, 1/4 times 4, so, or cancel na natin ito, magiging 1 ang kanyang sagot. Okay, let's say 1/4 of 4 is 1. Next, example number 6. So, 2 raised to negative 3, gagawin mo siyang positive. So, getting the reciprocal, 1 over 2 raised to 3. And then, simplify natin to 1 over 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 1 over 8. For the last example, for the negative exponent, 4 raised to negative 2, gagawin mo siyang positive. So, maging 1 over 4 raised to 2, or our final answer is 1 over 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Okay? Ganun lang po ang pag-solve natin na negative exponent. Okay? So, there are 7. Okay? So, meron na tayong 7 na discuss about sa long exponent. So, kung meron kayong tanong about sa long exponent, so huwag mayang mag-comment dito sa comment section natin.